FDR State Park. Today hey, good morning everyone. Today we made it. Hey, good morning everyone. We made it to the Dowdell Knob at the FDR Park, Franklin D. Roosevelt Park.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring.
Whoa!
Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises, no. Did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing.
How do we deal with failure? How do you deal with failure? You know, when we reflect back to our experiences, that's where we learn, that's where we grow. Reflection, you know, going back. But the only way we grow is that depending on the definition we give that experience. If the definition we give that bad experience is negative, it's usually that is going to affect our emotional and mental health. But if we get that experience and meaning that is going to be building us up, you know, something from that experience that from a third person could have been like a terrible experience, but you give it a good meaning, a meaning that is empowering, a meaning that has power to change not only your life but the life of others. That's inspiring. So what experience have you gone through your life that you feel like right now is weighing you down, that you feel that is stressing you out, that is taking your peace away? And revisit that, and I invite you to redefine that experience and give it a definition that will empower you, that will make you grow, that will make you inspire other people that might be in the same situation than you, that they don't see the light. But as earlier in this hike we saw that beautiful sunrise, that's the way, it's the same way in our life. When we go into troubles and tribulations, it feels like we are in darkness, and we forget that tomorrow the sun will rise and it's going to be beautiful.
Wish I could say it was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
Well, that's it. That's the end of the Dowdell Knob Loop trail. Tell me if you like it. I really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this hike. A lot of stuff to see. So, but I want to know what was your favorite part and what would you like to see next. And if you like this video, please click like and hit subscribe for more content. And I appreciate you being here with me. Until the next one, happy trails.